Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I cut my hair and how I fucked up my hair. First things first, I'm gonna start off with my hair wet, washed, and ready to be cut.
If you know who that character is, comment down below.
And these are the products that I will be using. Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Let me just put on my contacts.
The first thing that I'm going to use is a wide tooth comb, and the reason why is because curly hair gets damaged very easily, so you need a wide tooth comb so it doesn't damage the curl.
And that's how long my hair is right now. And then I'm going to use a denim brush and I'm going to flip my head because I'm going to be doing a unicorn horn haircut. The first thing that I do is comb all of my hair from the back of my head to the front of my head, and I have to be very thorough, get all those knots out of my hair because we are going to cut this way. This is actually very easy to do. I've seen people do it on TikTok, but I've seen them doing it wrong. So I will be demonstrating how I do it and how it's much easier the way that I do it. So I just keep going and combing every single knot out of my hair, and then I will grab a scrunchie. And I'm going to tie the scrunchie very tight. And I'm gonna comb out all the knots from the ponytail, and then I'm gonna grab another scrunchie and then tie it in the middle and then slide it down to where I desire to cut it. Then I'm gonna cut horizontally. I didn't realize how long my hair was, so you can't really see me cutting it, but I am definitely cutting it. And then right here, I like to cut vertically because it can make it look less jaggedy, more natural haircut. And from here, I take everything out, comb it out again. We're gonna start with the same process all over again because I would like my hair to be very layered. So we're gonna comb through all the mess. I took half of my head from the top, tied the bottom, and just gonna keep doing the unicorn. The only difference now is that instead of cutting horizontally, I'm going to be cutting diagonally. So the shortest would be closer to my face. So right now I'm styling my hair. This is how I style my curls regularly. So I comb out all the knots with a wide tooth comb. So the first thing that I grab is the Shea Moisture cream, and I grab a decent amount of product and I mix it onto my hands. And then I comb through my entire head with the cream. The next thing that I do is I grab my denim brush, which is the red one, and I take pieces of my hair and like a balloon string, I curl it. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I do this for my entire head, and it trains the curls to curl better. Or it trains the curl to curl. The last thing that I use is gel, and gel helps the curls to stay in place all day. So I grab a decent amount of gel and then I pass it through my hair, and then I scrunch up my hair with the gel so that it curls, it has a more defined curl. And that is it for my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I did not know that it was gonna be that bad. You know, I'm living through it, I'm rocking it. Definitely not gonna do that again. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.